I pledge allegiance to my Father, Supreme King Yahuwah, the King of creation, created the whole universe and everything in it and on it and everyone in it and on it. He created Jesus, Jesus Christ, Buddha, Shiva, Krishna, Lakshmi, cows, tigers, and others. He is the only King with no beginning and no ending. He is the everlasting King. He is the King of kings. He brings down kings and brings them up. He gives the realm to whoever he chooses. He is the King of all sovereigns of the world. He dictates the fate of nations and the destinies of people. And he dictates the fate of nations and the destinies of people. I pledge to worship him in spirit and in truth. I pledge to glorify my Father, Supreme King Yahuwah, and all the days of my life by loving him with all my heart, mind, body, soul, and spirit, by obeying his commandments. I pledge to obey Supreme King Yahuwah's commandments, the 10 Commandments. Yahuwah is the only Elohim. I shall have no other Elohims, like, parentheses, gods, idols, etc., before me. I shall not make nor worship any graven images. I shall not take the name of Yahuwah, my Elohim, in vain. I shall remember the Sabbath day, that means Saturday, to keep it holy. I shall honor my father and my mother. I shall not kill. I shall not commit adultery. I shall not steal. I shall not bear false witness against my neighbor or against anyone. I shall not covet. Do not be jealous of others' possessions. The golden rule. I do to others what I want them to do to me. That has been in existence even in the Old Testament, I believe. I pledge not to do the abominations like no same-sex sex, cheating, lying, stealing, having sex before marriage, having multiple spouses, remarriage of former spouses, robbery, bullying, incest, and others. Please see the complete list of abominations in this website, KingYahuwahReigns.com. I pledge to worship only Supreme King Yahuwah in spirit and in truth, with no idols of any kind. I pledge to glorify Supreme King Yahuwah, my Father, by helping fulfill his heart's desire that no one shall perish in the lake of fire, by helping people solve their physical problems like lack of clean water to drink, lack of food, clothing, shelter, medical care, dental care, eye care, education, job opportunities, etc. And by helping them solve their spiritual problems by sharing the message of salvation so they can live a victorious life, heal the sick, cast out demons, rebuke storms, etc. Please see the message of salvation that I'm going to record after this. I pledge to share the Supreme King Yahuwah's message of salvation with everyone, giving priority to my family and friends and as classmates and acquaintances. Thank you for listening. You have a blessed day. This is your Yahusian missionary, and please visit KingYahuwahReigns.com. Thank you.